How to send fireworks effect on iPhone messages. Here's a quick and easy way to add the fireworks animation to your text messages on iPhone. First, open the Messages app and start a conversation with another iPhone user. Type the message you want to send. Next, press and hold the send button instead of tapping it normally. The Send with Effect screen will appear. Tap on the Screen tab at the top. Now, swipe left through the available screen effects until you find the fireworks effect. Once you see the fireworks animation preview, tap the send arrow to send your message with the effect. If you don't want to send it, simply tap the X icon to cancel. The recipient will receive your message along with a full-screen fireworks animation, making it perfect for celebrations and special occasions. And that's it. You've successfully sent a fireworks effect message on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.